In June this year, Our Waitarakao began talking to the Timaru community and stakeholders about our project to restore the health of the Waitarakao Washdyke Lagoon and its catchment. We held 4 community drop-in events, providing the community with a chance to find out more about the lagoon area and get involved. Stories and ideas were shared, and valuable local knowledge and experiences with the lagoon and catchment were captured.
Just looking back, I can remember as a kid going out there and playing around the rocks and that, and as a young person going whitebaiting out there.
Not that long ago we saw an octopus hiding in a big rock pool.
The wider Timaru community was supportive in helping to raise awareness of Our Waitarakao, co-hosting additional events.
Kia ora, I'm Keely from the South Canterbury Museum, and I'd like to welcome you to our Waitarakao Lagoon exhibition. Come on in.
Meetings held with stakeholders indicated a huge level of support for involvement in future actions to improve the area. We received a high level of feedback from this engagement. 170 survey responses were completed and 90 Share Your Ideas cards submitted. The Share Your Ideas Stories cards were a huge hit, especially with the younger audience. From this engagement with the community, this is what you told us. People visit the lagoon for many reasons. Walking and exercise were the most popular, closely followed by visiting the rock pools. The decline of the natural environment was a key concern.
I've paid a visit out there over the recent weeks and just looking at how degraded the whole lagoon's become. So I think a project like this just sort of speaks to a possibility of bringing something back.
People want improved access to the lagoon area, better information and education. Business, industry and landowners are eager to improve the health of the area.
Been keen to do. It's a wet area that's been fenced off since we've had the property, and it'll be quite good to build it as a shelter.
The next phase for the project will be using this feedback and knowledge gained to help inform the next steps of creating the strategy. A series of focused community workshops will be held to explore different ideas for improving the health of the area. A draft strategy will be available for feedback in the first half of 2024. To stay informed on project updates, head to ourwaitarako.co.nz or follow us on Facebook.